Hello viewers. Welcome to codeprogramming.org. Today we are going to start our new series on C programming. So if you are interested, don't forget to subscribe our channel. So, what is C programming and why should we learn it as a beginner on IT industries? C is a programming language developed at NT's Bell Laboratories of USA in 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. It is a general-purpose programming language that is extremely popular, simple, and flexible to use. It is a structured programming language that is machine-independent and extensively used to write various applications, operating systems like Windows, and many other complex programs like Oracle Database, Git, Python Interpreter, and more. It is said that C is a God's programming language. One can say, C is a base for the programming. If you know C, you can easily grasp the knowledge of the other programming languages that uses the concept of C. An opinion that is often heard today is C has been already superseded by languages like C++, C#, and Java, so why bother to learn C today? I seriously beg to differ with this opinion. Now let us begin to analyze reason why C should be your first programming language. 1. I believe nobody can learn C++ or Java directly. To master these languages you need to have a strong concept of programming elements such as polymorphism, classes, inheritance, etc. Simple question is how you can learn such complicated concepts when you don't even know about the basic elements such as block functions. C is a language which begins from scratch, and it is foundational concepts on which today concepts stand on. 2. It is language on which C++ is based on, hence C# also derive its origin from the C. Java is also a distant cousin of C and share the same programming concept and syntax of C. These are the most dominant languages in the world and all are based on C. To rock the world through them you must get rocking with C. 3. C++, Java, and C# make use of OOP, object-oriented programming. Not all programs need it even though it is a powerful, whenever it comes to performance, speed of execution, C is unbeatable. 4. LTool. Such programs are still written in C. 5. Major parts of the Windows, Unix and Linux are still written in C. So if you want program these OS or create your own you need to know C. 6. Device drivers of new devices are always written in C. The reason is that C provides you access to the basic elements of the computer. It gives you direct access to memory of your CPU through pointers. It allows you to manipulate and play with bits and bytes. 7. Mobiles, palmtops, PDAs etc. are gaining popularity every second. Also appliances such as TV, refrigerators, and microwaves etc. are becoming an integral part of our daily needs. You may not know but they have a CPU with them which do need programming, and the softwares written for them are known as embedded system programs. These programs have to be fast in execution, but also have a very little memory. No question why C is ideally suited for embedded system programming. 8. You must have played games on your PC. Even today these astounding 3D games use C as their core. Why? The simple reason who will play the game when it takes a lot of time fire a bullet after you have given command from the console. The reply to the command should be damn prompt and fast. Reply in 1 nanosecond is an outstanding game, reply in 10 nanoseconds is crap. Even today there is no match for C. 9. C is a middle-level language because it combines the best part of high-level language with low-level language. It is both user and machine-oriented and provides infinite possibilities. 10. Last but not least it is a block-structured language. The first symbol of a modern language is that it is block-structured. Each code exists in separate block, and is not known to code in other block providing easy means of programming and minimizing the possibilities of undesirable side effects. C is designed from the base to top to be a block-structured language. Many older languages, most popular being BASIC, tried to introduce this concept, but their shortcoming can never fulfilled as they were never built along these lines. I think I have given all reason I know why C should be your first programming language. One thing is for sure that there no other language which more reliable, simple, and easy to use. Hope you like this informative video. If you like this video don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. We are going to upload all C programming related video, so don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.